friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the voice, you guys already know the story behind my voice. If not, just go and watch my other videos. If not, go and follow me on my Instagram. Okay, so yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And if you guys are first time on my channel, my birthday series is going on, so I'll be uploading every new day a single video every new day till 11th April, so you'll get something new to see every day. Okay, so today I'm going to share this pink backdrop which I have ordered from Amazon, and the rate of this is Amazon at rupees 350 only, and this is really big. And ये normal सा backdrop है. You get a lot of variants in this, color variants in this. So ये ऐसे ही आया था. It have come this way in this pouch and obviously not this way. I have just put it inside this pouch anyhow because हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है ना, हम लोग जब निकालते तब प्रॉपर होता है और जब डालने जाते तब वो प्रॉपर जाता ही नहीं है. But then also I have tried my best to fit again inside this. Okay, so I have ordered this for my photos, for my videos and a lot of stuff. So if you are a person like me who like to have backdrop or who like to click amazing pictures, you can have this. And for this you don't need a stand. What I do is in front of my cupboard I just attach two clips and just hang it down, and it is really long. Yes, if you compare it with a bed sheet, it is really long and the material is like silk something. I don't know proper इसको क्या बोलते हैं, कौन सा material, but it is definitely not cotton. And ये ऐसा material इसको iron नहीं करना पड़ता है, इस पे crease नहीं पड़ता है. So it is really amazing material, and yes, it looks really good behind our pictures and videos and everywhere. Yes, little editing is needed on pictures because वो पीछे का दिखता है थोड़ा बहुत. depends on the quality of your camera. मेरे कैमरा मतलब when I click वो पीछे का थोड़ा दिखता है, but I literally edit it on my phone and वो proper हो जाता है. So I just love this kind of pictures. So pictures I have clicked with this pink backdrop, you can check on my Instagram. If not, I'll just put it over here and you'll get really amazing pictures with this. And the quality of this is really good, like pretty good, not that amazing and not that bad as well, but ठीक है, चल जाता है इतना. मतलब obviously ये range में it is perfectly amazing. अगर range wise देखा जाए तो the quality is really superb. So you can order this. I'll put the link of this product in the description box, so you can just go and order this product. And the best part about this product is that ये ऐसे pouch में आता है तो हम लोग properly रख भी सकते हैं वापस ऐसे किधर. You don't need to throw away. So pouch में हमेशा we can take care of all the products. So yes, that was all for today. Sweet, simple, short, amazing video and review of this backdrop. I just love this backdrop. I am thinking to buy another colors as well in this. So do let me know in the comment section which color should I order and which color are you ordering. So yes, that was all for today. I hope you like my video and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit like to this video. I'm really working hard over this birthday series. As you can see, my voice is totally gone making a lot of videos, but at least you can do hit like to this video. Yes, that was all for today. Bye bye. See you in next video.